Hey there, HungryFoodsy, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a super simple and delicious treat for the summer. We are making strawberry and watermelon skewers. First, we're going to start by washing the strawberries. We want to make sure that we remove all the impurities. What we're going to do is soak them in water with a little bit of baking soda and some apple cider vinegar. This is going to ensure that it kills all the bacteria and pesticides that might be living on our food. You're going to let the strawberries sit in this solution for about 5 minutes or so, just to ensure that all the bacteria gets removed from the fruit. You're going to go ahead and strain this, and then you can see in the bowl all the nasty impurities and things that come off of the fruit. It's just incredible. Anyway, you're going to rinse the strawberries and make sure that you get all the solution removed from the strawberries. Let them drain, and then we are going to dry these on a paper towel. So just dump them on a paper towel just to remove any excess water that might be left from the rinse. Just go ahead and pat these dry. Once they're dry, we are going to be removing these stems from the strawberries and just be slicing off all that nice greenery on top. Once the greenery is removed, go ahead and set these in a bowl to the side. Now it's time to assemble our watermelon and strawberry skewers. I went ahead and started with strawberries and then alternated the fruit as I assembled the watermelon skewers. You can do this part however you'd like, and if you're curious about all the watermelon on the board here, I do have a video that I'll link in the card up above on 5 different ways on how to cut watermelon. Once your skewers are assembled, we're going to drizzle with honey and top with Tajín. This is going to be a spicy lime and chili flavoring. It is so delicious. And then you're going to squeeze some more lime juice all over your watermelon and strawberry skewers. This is such a wonderful summer snack. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.